it's Haylee again. Today I'm gonna make slime. Today all by myself. Follow me. Okay, hey guys. Okay, guys, this is my first step. Glitter glue. We got it at Walmart. So now I'm pouring it in. It's gonna fall. I'm letting the lid. Isn't that cool? I made pink slime. Just put half a tablespoon of baking soda. I had to mix it up. That's cool. It needs to get mixed really good until you don't see that white stuff. The baking soda. Step 3. 1.5 tablespoon of isoleucine. It's like really stretchy and soft, and it's sticky. And I don't know how it's sticky, but I really know how it is. That's funny. And it's really cool. Gotta keep mixing it until it gets not sticky, because I don't want sticky slime. I'm not done mixing it, but you're gonna see it at the end. You're gonna see it at the end. It's about to not get sticky. Gotta get that stuff with my hands. Very good. It's still sticky because you can mix it. This is my slime. On my next video, I'm going to show you guys all my pets. I got a lot.